So, old houses, redecorating, and IKEA. How do they all fit together? Well, stay tuned and we'll tell you a story of how this all works. Hi, I'm Bruce Boyes from Homes and Life, and I'd just like to say thank you to those subscribers who have subscribed to this channel, and welcome to you new subscribers. We'll continue to add value for your time here. So, again, an old house, redecorated, and IKEA. I'll tell you a story. About 3.5 weeks ago, our dryer died. It had been working fine. Somebody had at one point converted one of the bedrooms here to be a laundry/office room. That worked fine for us, and we just left it that way. But then the dryer died. So what do? Just like a lot of people, we hopped in the vehicle and we went shopping for a new washer-dryer set. And of course we did find some, got a good price. Oh, but we can't deliver that for a while. So about 2 weeks later, the dryer did show up. We're still waiting for the wash machine, and of course we can blame COVID for this because of the back orders. But then we got looking at our room. We think, you know, if that closet area was cleaned out, we could get a lot more storage in there. So that's what we did. We hauled everything out of that closet, gutted it, figured we could make more storage there. Then you get looking around. Well, we've been changing all our lights over to LED, so that light does need to be changed. So we changed that light. Then you get looking some more and you think, those walls are looking a little old and used, so we need to repaint this room. That's good. Let's repaint it. But that leads to new baseboards, so we have to get new baseboards, paint the trim. We've got to do that. And then you look some more and you think, oh, those old light switches and outlets look really tired. So I think we should change those too. So all of a sudden, this little project of just replacing our washer dryer has turned into quite a bit larger project, shall we say. And being that it's also a laundry room, we think, we need more storage for our laundry items. So off we go to IKEA, and we come back with a number of items, but one of those was a new cabinet for the laundry room. So what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to assemble that cabinet. We're going to see if it's as easy as IKEA would like you to believe to assemble one of their cabinets. Well, I finally did get it together. Unfortunately, my camera stopped partway along, but that's okay. You get the general idea. There's instructions, there's many pieces, and it actually went all together pretty good once I found the pieces. Typical for IKEA, this cabinet is made to be part of a larger unit. So there are a few extra pieces, and we'll have to just sort of use some ingenuity on how to hang it securely, but it works well. I'm not going to call it precision fit and finish, but we will color it the way we want it, and it's going to work just fine. The shelves are adjustable, and everything was there. So overall, I would say it was good. We will make good use of it, I'm sure. So thank you again for watching this video, and remember to click the like and subscribe buttons down below, and we'll be back again. Remember, life is an adventure, and I'll talk to you again soon.